Hey everybody, it's Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, and I have Lee Wheelbarger right here with us live. Lee, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here. Thanks for having me.
Well, you are more than welcome. And what I have up here on the screen, Lee, is the Electric Blue Solar Yacht, your Patreon page. Now, you want to tell us a little bit about Electric Blue Solar Yacht Project?
Sure. Electric Blue Solar Yacht is a 1969 Piver trimaran that was originally a sailboat. And we've removed the main mast on top for the sails, and we're rebuilding the boat from the inside out, and we're converting it to a 100% solar powered yacht to show that solar energy is a viable energy source for liveaboard yachts for both propulsion as well as for power for all of the liveaboard systems.
And you decided to do this on your own, or because your background is in the military and you've been working as a contractor for them for most of your life, starting with some of your first
Yeah,
inventions,
pretty
which are
much.
night vision. And so this is like all of your work coming together. This is like your hobby project for retirement.
Yeah, what I was doing was just to prove one of the last things I worked on for the U.S. government was a project called Stealth Power, which was a power system for Humvees and hybrid power for remote sites. And we had started incorporating it into armored personnel carriers, strikers, things of that nature, as well as it was incorporated into ambulances in the city of Austin, as well as in 250 ambulances in New York City. And so after working with the military and working with the government, doing all of that research and going, oh, wait a minute, if I have a boat that's large enough with the large enough solar array and I've got these batteries and I can have everything operate with this high efficiency, why can't I build a yacht and put solar power on it with batteries in it and have the thing operate, constantly 24 hours a day? So I left my job and bought this boat, basically sold everything I had, and put it into building this yacht with a couple other companies. And those companies were unable to fulfill their contribution to it. So it's now resting on the shoulders of my wife and I to finish the project. So we were doing pretty well on it until about 2 years ago when I had a stroke. And so that took me out of doing this and doing other things. So back in August, we decided that we were going to move back onto the yacht, and come hell or high water, we were going to get it done and stick it in the water. So that's what her and I have diligently been working on since the beginning of August.
Well, sweet. That's great. We're going to do a whole show on the Electric Blue Solar Yacht in the future, Lee. I just want to bring to the attention people that this is what's going on. We love the project. This is like the ultimate bug out machine for someone that wants to be on the coastal waterways. It's a great way to be safe. I was listening to your show the other night. For those of you who don't know, Lee has been doing a live show every night, 7 o'clock Mountain, 9 o'clock Eastern time. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to check him out, he's on every night. For at least an hour. And he is literally, when we used to do shows on Oppenheimer Ranch with Lee, it was Ask Lee, where you can actually ask Lee live on these shows every night. So if you have any sustainability or electronics or any questions, you can go over there any night at 9 o'clock Eastern and check out Lee Wheelbarger. He's mainly doing the show because he's drawing awareness to his project here, the Blue Solar Yacht, which I think is an awesome project. And simply your Patreon going forward, you're going to be sharing with folks all the different design elements in this boat, which, basically goes from basic solar systems to water heat and plus navigation type systems. But what I wanted to talk about real quickly is a
Yeah.
lot of people are against you because you used to be in the military. They think you're some kind of paid shill. Do you want to respond to any of that?
Well, they can think whatever they want. There are lots and lots of people who know me, who have worked with me, If I'm a paid shill, I'd like to see where those checks are coming from.
Me
Please, get them, have them correct my address or give them my account number. I'll give them the routing number because I'm not getting paid by anyone. I have no income. Okay. So, I'm telling what I know from 33 years of working with the government and working inside all of these different organizations as a private contractor. So, I know what I know. I can prove what I know. I can prove what I say. And what I'm trying to do is get the truth out as opposed to all of these people that are out there spreading propaganda and lies. I was at the Pentagon on 9/11, so I know what happened at the Pentagon on 9/11, as opposed to these people who lie about what had happened at the Pentagon and have never been there for a second in their life. So, I'm here to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Anybody thinks that I'm telling anything other than the truth, well, please bring that forward and do so publicly, because I would like to embarrass them publicly with that information, because I can prove what I say. So they can try to trash me, they can try to say whatever they want, but the truth is the truth, and I can prove the truth. So, that's all I got to say to them. I've never been afraid of a challenge, and I'm not now. So anybody wants to challenge anything I got to say, all I got to say is bring it.
And I'm sure, Lee, if you're wrong, you would say, yeah, I guess I'm wrong, if someone proved you otherwise.
Absolutely. I have no problem in admitting that I'm wrong. I'm not wrong very often. But if I am wrong, I've got no problem in admitting that I'm wrong. I know that I'm right about the Pentagon. I was there. Okay. And if somebody has something to say that they can prove something, I'm proof based. I don't want hearsay. I don't want they think. If you don't have data, hard data that proves what you're saying, then you don't have anything. So don't come to me with hearsay and don't come with me with what's his name said over there. You either bring me the information and the documented evidence, or you've got nothing. Because what I talk about is from research and experience and what Uncle Sam paid me to do. So, I'm open to whoever wants to bring whatever, but bring proof. Don't bring hearsay.
Yeah, I agree with you, Lee. If you're listening out there and you're interested in what inventor Lee Wilbarger has to say, come over to his YouTube page and become a subscriber. Check him out at 9 o'clock Eastern time every night. He's doing a live show. If you subscribe to his page and you hit that bell, you'll be alerted to when he's going live, so you'll know. And then you can go in any night and ask Lee any questions you have about solar systems, electronics, Faraday cages, EMP shielding, all kinds of topics Lee has done tons of research on. And now he's working on his sustainability project, the Electric Blue Solar Yacht. So we're going to just show some nice footage, Lee. One of your videos. There he is. Lee's tied up there.
No, appreciate
that. What?
Yep, appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, it's the Franklin Lock.
And if
and Seagull's video.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Yeah, that's my wife put that together for us. And look, my resume was leaked by WikiLeaks. So my resume has been validated, so they can, anybody who wants to see who I am, they can simply go to WikiLeaks and look up Lee Wilbarger under IC Watch. It shows all of the military programs and projects I've worked on. And everybody knows that WikiLeaks has never released anything that hasn't been validated. So, if they want to say, oh, that's not true, well, then that would be the very first thing that WikiLeaks ever released that was inaccurate. So, you guys are welcome to come join me for questions or whatever. We'll answer all your questions with the experience that I've got.
Yeah, and they can even call you on some stuff there in the chat room. Remember, be safe and sane. We're not here to call people names. We're here to get to the bottom of the truth, the facts. And the facts are Lee Wilbarger is being the change he wants to see with the Electric Blue Solar Yacht. And he is creating do-it-yourself solar conversion right before your very lives. If you become a member of his Patreon, he needs support. He is paying out of his own pocket to live stream every night. So go over there tonight at 9 p.m. and hook him up. Lee, thanks for joining us tonight. You can also check Lee out over here. We're showing you his YouTube page. He has 2,100 subscribers. Let's get that up to 3,000. And come check him out on his Twitter feed. Lee, I want to thank you for joining us. Thanks for the Electric Blue Solar Yacht Project. Thanks for your live show every night, answering questions that people need to know. Anything else you want to leave us with?
No, I greatly appreciate the opportunity, Diamond, and look forward to getting the boat in the water and getting everybody prepared for what's coming ahead. So, thanks for all you do. Greatly appreciate it.
You too, and I'll see you tonight on the live stream. Thanks, Lee.
Thanks, Diamond. Have a great day.
You too.